How to fix music not showing in Messenger notes. So if you want to fix music not showing in your Messenger notes, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, the next thing you need to make sure is the app is up to date. So you need to open up your Play Store and then go with search. You can search for Messenger. After searching for Messenger, if you have any updates, you need to go and update your Messenger, because if you've not updated your Messenger, then you will have the updated features. So make sure that it's updated. Once you've updated, now you need to go back and tap and hold on to your Messenger application and then go with app info. Under app info, you need to go with clear data and then tap onto your cache and tap on OK. Now once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed, or you can just simply go and restart your device. Once you've restarted, you need to open up your Messenger, go with your notes, and under notes, as you can see, that you will have the music icon. Tap on music and then select a music and share it. That's how you can fix your music not showing in your Messenger notes option or problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.